Hello and welcome. Let's practice English together with a new shadowing story. Just listen, pause, and repeat after me. Copy the words, the rhythm, the mood. You're doing great. Every minute is progress. Are you ready? Let's go to the market. This morning, I woke up early. The sun was shining. I looked in the fridge, almost empty. Only a piece of sausage looked sadly at me. All right, time to go shopping. I made a short list: bread, apples, cheese, tomatoes. Maybe something sweet too. I grabbed my bag and wallet, put on my favorite sneakers, left the house with a good mood. On the way, I met my neighbor, Sarah. She smiled and waved. "Going to the market?" she asked. "Yes, and I hope I don't buy too much." We laughed. The street was busy. People everywhere. Talking and walking. A dog barked at a pigeon. Classic market morning. I arrived at the market. First stop, fruit stall. So many colors! Red apples, yellow bananas, green grapes. The seller smiled. "Good morning. What can I get for you?" "Hi. Are the apples sweet today?" "The sweetest! Try one." I took a bite. He was right. Very sweet. "I'll take a kilo, please." Next, I saw a table with tomatoes. Big, small, round, oval, all shapes. I picked up one and smelled it. It smelled like summer. The old lady at the stall said, "Best tomatoes in town, grown in my garden." I believed her. 2 kilos, please. Then I realized I forgot my shopping list. No problem. I remembered most things. But I stood there thinking, did I need onions? Or maybe chocolate? At the next stall, I found cheese. So many kinds. Hard, soft, smelly, mild. The man behind the table asked, "Would you like to try some?" "Yes, please." He gave me a small piece. Delicious! I bought a small block. Suddenly, my friend Mark appeared. He looked lost. "Are you shopping or just looking confused?" I joked. He laughed. "I forgot why I came here. Maybe I just wanted fresh air." We walked together to the bakery. The smell of fresh bread was amazing. The baker waved. "Good morning. Fresh out of the oven." I chose a round loaf. Mark bought 2 croissants. My bag was getting heavy, but I saw something new. A fruit I didn't know. "Excuse me, what is this?" I asked the seller. "It's a persimmon, very sweet." I decided to try one. At the checkout, I counted my money. Just enough. The seller gave me a smile. "Come back soon." I promised I would. On the way home, it started to rain. I ran, holding my bag close. A little wet, but happy. At home, I unpacked my shopping. Fresh apples, bright tomatoes, delicious cheese, warm bread, and a new fruit to try. Shopping at the market is always an adventure. Sometimes you get more than you planned. Sometimes you get caught in the rain, but you always come home with a story. Now, listen again and shadow every sentence. Practice makes perfect. Leave a comment. What's your favorite thing to buy at the market? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next story.